How to scan QR code on any Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up your Play Store. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then type Google Lens. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on Google Lens and install this application. After installing simply tap on open. Then tap on open camera. Now place your camera on the QR code. Now if you want to scan the QR code from your gallery application, simply tap on the photo icon, then select the QR code, then tap on the link, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.